In the pain, there's something real.
Presenting the brand new Kia Clavis, a bold, urban SUV that blends compact styling with smart tech. And as always, we're ahead of the curve, launching India's first ever screen protection solution for the Clavis, exclusively from Spartan Shield. Let's start with the infotainment system, the centerpiece of your cabin experience. Begin by cleaning the display with the provided alcohol wipe, followed by the microfiber cloth for a dry, streak-free surface. Use the dust removal sticker to lift any remaining particles before application. Now carefully align the screen guard with the edges of the display. Once aligned, press it down gently from the center outward and use the squeegee to eliminate bubbles. Finish by peeling off the top film, and your infotainment is protected, glare-free, and crystal clear.
You stand out now with your...
Next, we move to the digital speedometer cluster. Repeat the cleaning process. Align the protector with care and apply slowly, ensuring even contact. Use the squeegee again to push out any trapped air. A clean finish ensures perfect visibility under all lighting conditions. Lastly, we protect the small AC console, a compact but essential screen for cabin comfort. Clean, align, and apply the screen protector gently to avoid misplacement. Since this area is smaller, take your time with bubble removal using the squeegee. From the dashboard to the smallest digital details, Spartan Shield now offers full interior protection for the Kia Clavis. Seamless fit, effortless clarity, only with Spartan Shield.
Stop